A lot of people think Brownswood is just the garden center you see at the front of our property, but we're so much more than that. We actually grow tens of thousands of plants right on our property every year, many from tiny seeds or propagative cuttings. We are a destination for all of your landscaping needs, and we are here to help you transform your property. And whether it's from our growing team, who are growing some of the finest plants in the Southeast, or it's our design team drawing up the best landscape design possible, or one of our nursery professionals in our garden center giving you advice and helping you pick out the right plants for your yard, all of our team members are here to serve you, and we are all working together to produce the best landscape possible for your property.